Hey guys, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I'm just going to do a simple eye look. That's all I want to do. I don't want to do nothing fancy or nothing like that because I know if it goes fancy, I don't know, I just don't want it to be fancy at the minute. I did wash all my makeup brushes, so they're all nice and washed. The brush that I love, this is the JH03, so it's the Ride or Die brush, I believe that's called. The Die foundation brush. Yep, so I'm going to put some concealer, some primer on. I have moisturised and had my hair washed. My hair's a bit messy because I did go outside to do a bit of gardening because I want to grow some stuff, you know, grow some veg and fruit, you know, just and making sure my fingers go. Primer's really good, but I need to get some more primer. And I'm going to start tanning again soon, so that would be good. That's going to be really good. Now, today's the start of my husband's week off, which, you know, I'm very happy about. He's got a week off now, so that's all good. And this is just the Revolution Super Fruit Extract, which I absolutely do love. It is a good thing. I'm not going to tattoo brow my eyes today because I don't feel like it. And I don't feel like I want to put any lashes on either, so this is going to be fun. I don't feel like putting any lashes on, and I don't feel like putting anything else on, so I'm like, I'm actually waiting for Love Island to come out because it's apparently going to come out this year again, so. And apparently Caroline Flack has already said they're recording. She gave that little spoiler away, she did. So I actually can't wait for Love Island to return. I loved it last season with Danny and Jack. I think them two were a really good couple and everything. I believe they're broken up now, so you know what happens when you want to do anything like that. And I think Alex, Dr. Alex now has got a girlfriend, I believe now, so that's really nice, you know. To have a girlfriend that he wanted. He wanted a girlfriend right from the start, but you know, he made so many friends, and not a lot of people like, not a lot of girls that were in there. They thought it was really sweet and everything, but it wasn't his type. I actually liked him. He was alright. I wasn't there like, oh my god, it doesn't look like my type, but you know what? He was a nice bloke, and I actually did like him. I love the Jouer Concealer. Jouer Concealer, I love it so much. Just a really good one. There is another one I want to try, which is Jeffree Star one, and I want to try that because I feel like that's going to be really good as well. This is just really nice, just really blends into skin, and I love it. Just it looks really good. I just put it into my T-zone, and then I put this one underneath my eyes as well. I was like, oh, I don't know why I used to always do my foundation and concealer with a sponge, but since this brush I have done a bit of concealing with a sponge, but I don't know what it is. This brush just, it's just better, and it just fits in my thing just perfectly, so I like it. I used to add like loads of concealer on, but I don't do that as much as I normally did. Do you know, with this concealer you don't need a lot of it as well, so like that. See, there's such a difference between one eye to the other. So yeah, I did gardening today, which did plant something, so I thought, yeah, I might as well just do a bit of gardening, you know. I don't have the garden, I have like a balcony, which, you know, is very good for doing gardening, which I like. On a balcony we have like tubs that we put our plants into, and they're all good, do you know, and I do like that. It's really good, you know. Yeah, I've been playing games as well. I've been playing Magentons or something like that, Magentons or something like that, which is a really good game. Bronzer brush, I'm going to use some bronzer. I'm going to use this butter bronzer that I absolutely love. Just love it, you know. The bronzing is a deep bronze, but I just feel like it's a nice bronze, you know. Like, I don't put too much on, and it blends out like butter. As you can see, that just blends out like butter. Like, I love it for this. Just blends out like butter, it does. Oh, I love being bronzy. I think it's just really good. And this butter fish from the butter bronzer is so nice. Then I contour. So I'm going to contour with the Hoola bronzer. I don't know why, I just like it. The bronzer, right to just to carve it up, you know. I don't always do this, but sometimes I like to do this. Just gonna leave that on for about a couple of minutes anyway. Now I'm gonna do my under the lip. Lip and a nose. This is good. This one's good for nose as well. And then what I'm going to do is just brush off the excess and just create a little line down, you know. Brush off the thing here so you get a nice crisp thing. Love it. I'm going to use a brow pencil now, just from Primark. Oh my god, I did go see the Avengers, like, oh, the Avengers Endgame. Me and my husband went to see it on a Wednesday, and the reason we went to see it on a Wednesday because we were watching a double bill, so we got there about 8:30 and didn't leave the cinema till about 3 o'clock in the morning or something like that. But we enjoyed it so much. We saw it in 3D because we saw the first one in 2D. You know what? I didn't really, you know, I don't think it made it any difference if you see it in 2D or 3D. I just think it just didn't myself. I'm just going to use this brush just to... Okay, I'm going to use a firmer brush just to blend all everything away. Oh, so good. Now I'm just going to use some blush. And the blush I'm going to use, you should know it's Galfornia. I love this blush though. It's just a really good, nice, peachy, corally blush. I just can't live without blush. I need to buy some new blush, but I just can't live without blush. I've got to have some highlight on because who can live without highlight? I can't. So I'm just going to take the Ofra. This bit is all, not all gone. I put it inside the lid because I don't use it. Today I think I'm just going to leave the eyes because I just like them simple like this. I don't know why. And I will put like inner corner on. It just brightens up your eyes with the inner corner, which I love. I was going to put some eyeliner on, but I don't really fancy eyeliner on today. Just a nice simple look. And then I'm going to put some Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin with some Canon on. I'm just going to do my Celebrity Skin first. I love this colour so much. It's nude, but it's the right nude for me. And it smells so good. I just love it. I love it the way these dry down. And these don't irritate my lips or they don't make them dry or nothing like that. And this is Canon on top. Now I'm just going to set my face and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay, and this is it. Just nice and natural. It's all I want to be today. I don't want nothing like too out there. I still like them with nude lips. I don't know why. I'm just like a big fan of nude lips at the minute. And I'm a big fan of gloss for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just like, I'm a big fan of that. But yeah, this is my look. Hopefully you did enjoy this look. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.